Mapping services in Rohini offer a comprehensive solution for businesses and individuals looking to navigate the city and explore its various locations. These services utilize advanced mapping technologies to provide accurate and up-to-date information about the streets, landmarks, and points of interest in Rohini. Whether you are a tourist trying to find your way around or a business owner looking for the best location for your new venture, mapping services in Rohini can help you make informed decisions. These services can be accessed through various platforms, such as mobile applications and websites, making it convenient for users to access the information they need anytime, anywhere. By using mapping services in Rohini, you can save time and effort in navigating the city and ensure that you reach your desired destination without any hassle. One key aspect of mapping services in Rohini is the design of the maps themselves. SCON design plays a crucial role in ensuring that the maps are visually appealing and easy to interpret. SCON design refers to the process of creating aesthetically pleasing and user-friendly maps that effectively convey information to the users. It involves choosing the right colors, fonts, symbols, and layout to enhance the readability and usability of the maps. The goal is to create maps that are visually appealing, yet informative and easy to understand. SCON design also takes into consideration the target audience of the maps, as different users may have different preferences and needs when it comes to map design. By incorporating SCON design principles into mapping services in Rohini, users can have a seamless and enjoyable experience while using the maps. Mapping services in Rohini are not limited to just providing directions and locations. They also offer additional features and services that enhance the overall user experience. Any building project requires Rohini's geotechnical services. The evaluation and study of the soil and rock qualities at a construction site are part of these services. Engineers and architects can make well-informed judgments on foundation design, slope stability, and construction techniques with the support of the knowledge acquired through geotechnical investigations. The safety and stability of the structure can be ensured by identifying potential risks and hazards and mitigating them by having a thorough awareness of the geotechnical conditions. Due to its rapid development, Rohini in Delhi needs geotechnical assistance to support its building initiatives. It is essential to perform site-specific investigations because Rohini's soil characteristics and geological conditions might range greatly throughout its many regions. Geotechnical engineers gather samples of the soil and conduct experiments to ascertain the characteristics of the soil, such as its. Rohini's mapping services provide a complete answer for organizations and people wishing to get around the city and check out its many neighborhoods.